Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by configuring the layout so the output matches intent. Open Page Setup Manager and pick DWG to PDF. PC3 as the printer. This ensures Autocad generates a true PDF. Choose the exact paper size and orientation, then set the plot area to layout or window so you control extents. Set a plot scale and attach the correct plot style table to preserve line weights and colors. Once done, enable Plot with Plot Styles so the exported PDF mirrors your drawing standards. Next, you refine the visible content and visual fidelity. Use Window to capture exact extents and verify the chosen scale matches your title block or sheet notes. This avoids reprints. Center the drawing and set plot offset to eliminate clipped edges. Decide between vector plotting for crisp lines or raster for heavy hatches and images. Make sure line weights and plot transparency are enabled if your styles require them. Finally, run preview to catch missing objects or scale errors before committing to PDF creation. To finish, click Plot or use Publish to produce one or many PDFs. Choose Single Sheet for one layout or Publish to create a combined multi-page PDF. Specify the file name and folder, set PDF quality or DPI for printing, and embed true type fonts if required. Save the DWG and verify the generated PDF visually. If you get a blank or missing elements, make sure DWG to PDF. PC3 is active. Layers aren't frozen or off. The correct plot style is applied, and the scale/plot area were set correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.